Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna start off with this voiceover. So in this clip, I'm gonna show you that I started off with my eyebrows and my eyelid set. I'm using a NYX eyeliner, which is liquid, and I'm gonna place them on the inner corners of my eyelid now. Yes, I do use tape to make sure my wing is perfect, guys. So that's just my technique. Here I go, placing them in the corner, as you see here, and working my way outwards. And yes, I do use a mirror, so if you see the mirror blocking some of the clips, I'm so sorry for that. Yeah, and I was laughing at my daughter. She's so funny, guys. But as you see, I am working on the outer corner, making sure it's thicker, and it looks nice and neat, guys. Make sure your lines are perfect and parallel as well. But if you can't make it parallel, it's perfectly fine. You'll eventually get there. It's all about practice makes perfect. Now I'm starting off with the other side, doing the same technique, working from the inside out for my wing eyeliner. Mine might not be perfect, but I tried my best for you guys. As you can see, guys, I'm starting off with a thin layer of eyeliner liquid so you guys can see. I like to do this method because I want to know how thick I want mine, and I like to envision how it would look like with lashes on. So I kind of like mine's between thin and thick. As you see here, you guys can do whatever, but just make sure it looks good on you and it's your preference. Here I start off with a e.l.f. primer, and I start priming my face. Here I go, putting it all over my face, and I dab, dab, dab. Keep dabbing in all my areas. Make sure I cover all my face with the primer, and then I start rubbing it, making sure that it's packed into my skin so the foundation can last. Now I get my NYX foundation, which is the Can't Stop Won't Stop. I love this one. It's a matte finish, so I honestly recommend it. It's inexpensive, it's a drugstore product, and it leaves a matte finish and it's full coverage, guys. You'll see full coverage. I take my brush, the NYX brush, and I start packing on my foundation onto my face, as you see here. Yeah, I started putting a little bit more, as you see. And make sure I cover all areas, like underneath my eye, some of my chin. As you see, I have red marks and all of that. Make sure it's all covered. Don't mind my little baby hairs. I continued to squeeze more foundation out because I realized that I still needed more on my face. I didn't even cover my forehead or the other side of my face. This brush is honestly amazing. It's also from NYX. I think it's called a foundation brush. I'll definitely look it up for you guys and leave it in the description below. Look at that full coverage, guys. It might not look like my skin complexion, but you guys have to see at the end. It is my skin. It matches my skin perfectly, guys. It really does. I just continue to pack. Smiling at my daughter. She's so funny. She tries to get my attention when I'm filming, and she'll look at me and laugh. So I can't help but give her that attention she seeks. Now I take a beauty blender and I continue to blend out the foundation as much as I can so I don't look like a damn ghost, guys. You already know what I mean. Now I take my Tarte concealer. I'll leave the shades and everything in the description below. So I just pack them onto my under eyes, and sometimes I do my forehead and my chin, but I definitely do my nose after I do everything else. You'll see, guys. Now I take another beauty blender and I start packing it under my eyes, making my eyes look beautiful. Guys, if I keep looking down, it's not my fault. I have a mirror, and I'm also looking at my computer to make sure that this video is still recording, because the other day I recorded it and, well, I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. But now I take a brush and I start packing on some translucent powder from Morphe, and I do it all under my under eye so there's no creases in it. Continue to brush it all out afterwards. Now I take my Morphe contouring brush, and with the palette it was a combo, so I got it. I was in love. And here's me contouring my face. I love this contour palette. It was the best thing that was created. Guys, you see my face glowing on the side, and I haven't even put highlight on. Now I take my Anastasia Glow Kit and I start highlighting my cheekbones and everything else. You'll see, guys. Look at that glow, guys. Just look at it. It looks perfect. Now I put contour on my nose and my forehead, as you see. And now I just blend it in. Now guys, I'll take some of that bronzer and contour my nose. I totally forgot about contouring my nose because sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. So, yeah. Now I make sure I blend in the contour. I usually use a makeup brush if it's cleaned to contour my nose, and then I use my fingers as well to help blend. I feel like the combination works well with me. Now I am still blending with a beauty blender now. Sometimes I do, and then I put translucent powder under my bronzer to make it look nice and smooth. Guys, as you see, I messed up a little there. But hey, we're all human. I know you see the contour line, guys, but trust me, I fixed that up. Now I'm taking a brush and just brushing off the excess powder that I have on my face, and I'm still trying to contour and fix my contouring on my nose, so don't mind me, guys. It looks a little red still, but I end up fixing it, and then I'm using the NYX Bear With Me setting and priming spray. Now taking the ColourPop mascara and doing my eyelashes. Yeah, they're pretty long. Everybody says I don't really need falsies, but I really do love them. Now I'm taking my Lilly lashes and I am putting them on my eyelashes. Guys, I won't be showing you how I put them on. Maybe I will. You know what? I will. Here's how I put on my falsies. Don't mind my facial expression. I look crazy. I use my mirror because I don't have a mirror in front of me to put them on. And I let them sit and dry. I also like blending my natural lashes with the falsies because it makes it look way better. You see me looking to the left, there's a mirror there. And I'm getting hot. Now I'm putting my other lashes on. Blowing, making sure it's a little dried enough so it can stick. Now I'm sticking it to my eyelid. Having some little trouble. Blending my natural eyelash with the falsies and making sure it sticks really good. I think the hard part is honestly putting lashes on with nails. But at the same time, the nails help make sure that you have your lash between your fingers. Between your fingers, guys. I'm sorry, I'm blocking with my mirror. But do you see those brows? Let me know in the comments below if you want an eyebrow tutorial or what else you would like to see, because I want to give you guys content you want. I'm really feeling myself. I'm listening to music. I usually tuck my hair behind my ear. I really like that. Take a little bit of hair out, and this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, let me know, guys, like, what do you think? If you want another look tutorial, comment below. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you back next time.